Next, representation of pointers. Pointers, how we represent the pointers. See, for example, q is a variable name. The memory value is 280. Means, see, q is a variable. Here, this memory value is suppose 280, and memory address is 6000. Say 6000. So memory variable is pointer. So this is pointer. So we use like this. Here, suppose p is a pointer. So q is equal to p is equal to address of q. So in this way we represent pointers in program. Declaration of pointers. How we declare a pointers variable? Simple syntax, data type, simple asterisk, pointer variable. As we declare like this, see, we already declared. Example, data type, asterisk, pointer name, pointer variable name. You can take any variable. So this is pointer. See this examples: into star p, into star q, float, star f, char. Initialization of pointers means initialization in the sense allocating, assigning the values. See, this is initialization. Into q equal to 280, into star p, p equal to star as address of q. Into q equal to 280, into star p, p is a pointer variable, so p equal to address of q. So p holds address of q. Q is a variable. This variable address is stored in p pointer. The various ways to represent pointers. Pointers represent: p means address, star p means value, address of p star means value. How this? For example, int q, some value, int star p, p equal to star of address of q. So p value is, say address is 2000, so p value is 2000. Example program. Write this program: hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, void main, declare one variable and declare one pointer. So p equal to address of a. So what is p? P is a pointer which holds the address of a. So p holds address of a. Clear function printf. Suppose you want to print the value, this one. So simple write the value of a value will be printed. Okay, so a value will be printed. So a value is how much? 10. Next, printf the address of a. Suppose you want to print the address value, so directly write p. So a equal to p address. For example, address is 2000. Next, printf the value of a star p. If you write star p, value will be printed again. Next, again you want to print the address of a, you can write like this also: address of a. What is the address of a? 2000. So there are various ways to represent pointer. Pointer expressions and pointer arithmetic. So normally we use expressions and arithmetic operations with variables, but with the help of pointers also we can perform various arithmetic operations, and also we can perform various also we can write various expressions through pointers. Suppose I have taken one example here. Example into xy. These are two normal variables. P1, P2 are two pointer variables. A, B, C, D are normal variables. So here two pointers I declared, P1, P2. Okay. X10, Y value is 20. P1 holds address of X, P2 holds address of Y. Suppose P1 holds the address of X, P2 holds address of Y. What is P1, P2? P1, P2 are the pointers. So P1 hold the address of X value, X variable, P2 hold the address of Y. Suppose you want to perform addition of these two numbers, so you can perform additions. Normally we do additions like this, no? A C equal to, suppose A plus, sorry, X, no? So X plus Y. So X plus Y, X value will be added to Y value, the result will be stored in C. Normally we do this, but we can perform this arithmetic operation with the help of pointers also, like this. Star P plus star P2. Star P1 means value of X 10 plus star P2 means value of Y 20. So 10 plus 20, 30. A value is 30. Similarly we can perform subtraction, multiplication, division also. Similarly we can use these pointers in logical and relational expressions also. Star P1 greater than star P2, star P1 less than star P2, star P1 equals to star P1. So we can use these pointers in if else, while, do while also in this way. Okay, example program on this pointer expressions. Simple example. Void main, A, B, C, D, E, F are the variables, P1, P2 are the two pointer variables. Enter AB values, scanf, read AB values. Now store the address of A in P1, store the address of B in P2. Perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division as we did in the earlier example, right? And print all the values, results. Printf addition equal to C, printf the here multiplication and division. Okay, so this is about pointers. So this is very important concept. Refer once your notes, right? Thank you.